totally can't believe I'm lost. What are you honking at? Oh wow, I want a coconut. I want a coconut. I think I'm on the wrong side of the road. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm lost. So I thought maybe I'd just kind of stumble on some things and see.
That's a nice camera.
Yeah, it's not bad. It does the job. That's a cool suitcase.
YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Yeah, do you want to be on here? Do you want to be on YouTube? What's your business called?
Sorry?
What's your business called?
My business?
Yeah, what is
This one.
Bag.
Yeah.
Bag is a lot
Handbag.
shop.
Yes.
Cool. What do you sell most of?
More sandal and sunglasses.
Okay.
Sometimes watch also.
Yeah. Do you sell aviators?
Sorry?
Do you sell like these kind?
Yeah.
Yeah?
With Ray-Ban. Yeah.
Ray-Ban?
Yeah, many brands.
Are they polarized?
Polarized, yes.
Really?
Yes.
Can I look at them?
Of course.
Okay.
Come on.
Cool.
The Ray-Ban is polarized.
Oh yeah, okay. Huh. Do you have anything for girls that are polarized?
Yeah, polarized. We have also the something Ray-Ban and
Those are actually really cool.
yeah, this also polarized.
Those are fun.
It's polarized.
Are they for little
Yeah.
people?
Polarized. If you see this one face, that's polarized.
Oh yeah.
Without polarized, cannot see face.
What do you think? Good, bad, ugly? Not bad?
That's good.
How much?
This one is 250.
How much?
250.
250. How much is that?
And
That's
are you
like
England. From England.
I'm from Canada.
Canadian is Canadian money is the money change is about 22.
22?
Right.
Okay. That's really cool. I like the sides and everything. I'll have to.
Different colors.
Oh, here. Hold on. Hold on. I'm actually interested in what is that? Are those like helmets?
That's a helmet.
Those are crazy. Like, especially like the horns, you know, like the.
Crazy nice.
Yeah, like crazy.
Yeah.
Like, wow.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Well, Jack Daniel.
Yeah.
You drink bourbon or Jack Daniel?
I'm Jack Daniel, yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Jack Daniels.
I like Jack
That's
Daniel
so
as well.
cool. Do you like the drink Jack Daniels?
Yes, of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah, me too. It's pretty good. Yeah. Huh. So how late are you open?
Sorry, what you mean?
What is the latest that you stay open?
How long or what?
Like-
from 9 o'clock in the morning until 9:30 the evening.
Okay. Okay. Well, because I mean, I'm gonna look around and try to find my hotel, but I would love to come back.
Okay, all right.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. It was very nice to meet you.
Okay.
All right. All right. Cool. Yeah, those are really cool glasses. I really liked them, but I don't think we have enough money. Ooh, I'll get some of those. Yes. All right, I'm supposed to be finding my hotel. I always end up getting myself in trouble. Oh my God. That's hot. Maybe I should get a bike. What? All right. Hello. Oh, schnitzel.
Oh, what?
Oh no.
Not so.
Yum.
And back and George?
Back and see George? Yeah?
Ah, okay, good.
That actually looks really good too.
Se habla español?
Konnichiwa.
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 Genki desu ka?
Wasimasu.
Genki desu ka?
Ah, yeah.
Genki?
Close.
Close, close. All right.
Yankee kind.
Sort of. She just called me a Yankee. Wait, they might have ice cream here.
Ice cream.
Oh my God. Is it too late to eat ice cream? No, it's only 5.
Never.
It's never too late. It's never. Hello. Ice cream. I'm gonna get that matcha magnum. That sounds so good right now. What do you think? We need water too. Oh, it's so hot. Feels really good. Oh, they have chocolate. Bali doesn't play with the chocolate. It's so good. Okay, so I'm here for ice cream and water, I think. And then I have to find my way home. Wow, for all you Europeans, I think y'all would just love this. 88,000 rupees. Is it rupees? How much is 88,000? It's like $5. Okay, it's the same price then, never mind. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Oh, what's that? What is that? Whoa, those are cool. Uh-oh. Oh, those are cute.
Do you have small money? 10,000 maybe?
No, just do that. We need to break it, Mark. We gotta have, gotta break as much as we can. How much was that? 60?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta have like lower denominations.
You're trying 40, yeah?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me show the money.
Okay. This. And then this is what the money looks like. Yes.
5, 10,
Ah.
30. Okay, 40.
Yes,
That's
please.
so cool. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
That's okay.
Yeah, it's silly stuff.
Yeah, we're having a good time.
No. Wow, this guy.
Wow, this is heavy. Oh wait.
Who's this?
Who is he?
Who's
Is he a president?
This 10,000.
Yes.
Is that the
but this-
president?
This one?
Yeah.
This one for... wait,
Who is that man?
This name.
Who is?
Yeah.
Can you say it?
Yeah.
What? I can't read it.
Okay.
Okay. Well, we'll
Alright,
figure
good.
it out
Yeah,
later.
okay.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, you get the bag?
Sour sop. That's what we should have got. Yeah, I have the bag. Okay. Yeah, I've always wanted to try it. Thank you. And this is supposed to be like good luck, I guess. I'm guessing.
It's a good luck charm. For
Yeah.
me.
It's pretty.
Oh, okay, so.
All right, I guess, oh, what? Oh, I gotta bust this out?
Yes.
Okay. All right, well, I guess I'll see you next time. Or maybe I'll come back, I don't know, but I gotta eat my ice cream. So, see ya. Bye.